What's up? This is DualEx and wait a minute. This isn't supposed to be a workout video. So what we're doing next in the RV is, there we go. So the next thing we're doing in the RV is the bathroom. So first thing I'm gonna have to do is deconstruct everything. I'm taking apart the cabinets, the drawers, and then I'm gonna be taking out the toilet so I can get ready for paint, and I'm gonna be rebuilding the toilet later. Let's start. No idea what's going on with this paint, but every time I get paint, it's not the color that it is. Like if it's a dark color, it's always got a tinge of something else. Can't mess up the black, right? No, it's not black. It's blue. It's dark blue. It's really dark blue. I'm just gonna have to go ahead and use the spray paint, man. They left me no choice. Just give me black. I paid for black. Come on, it's black. You can't mess that up. Alright, so everything's out of there. Walls are painted, we're good to go, so it's time to start building that toilet. So toilet's done. I'll explain more on that later, but it's time to finish up the bathroom with the sink. Alright, let's go check out this finished product. This is how the bathroom ended up coming out. Obviously, it's not completely done. I've got some more stuff to finish, but this is where it's at for right now. So over here, I had a lot of work to do as far as the sink went, and I decided to do something a little bit different by using a wood bowl and just waterproofing it with an epoxy mixture. And then I just drilled out the bottom and put in a drain, and then I just used a regular faucet that would reach over the top for that. So far this has been totally waterproof. We might have to give you an update later on to see how it is. I'm testing it out, but we're gonna see. Then up top, all I did here was just paint the existing cabinet that was here. I was going to remake one, but I didn't want to have to build a mirror into a cabinet, and this one was already here, so I decided to paint it black. Down on the bottom, I built this door the same way you've seen me build my other barn door type stuff, but I just did that for the actual vanity. Over here, this whole area had mirrors and drawers set up over here, really old school, so I decided to just make another door just like I had over here, and then I just replaced these drawers with some plywood instead of making them hardwood. I ended up liking how it came out. And then over here, I decided to set up 8 mirrors because my girlfriend is obsessed with mirrors, and everybody likes mirrors for some reason these days, so I decided to just throw these in here, and I like how it came out in this grid style. It looks pretty dope if you ask me. And then down here, I know this is not the toilet that you guys saw me build in this video. That's because I'm going to have a separate video of me rebuilding the toilet, and I'm going to explain that why in that video. And then one thing that I forgot to show you guys was the door build. So the reason why I didn't show you this was because I already made a door in my last video. So it's same process. So when I built this door, it's same exact thing. The only difference was I put a handle on this door on this side because there's no way to move this without so there was a lot of like bathroom door handles that I saw that were like super expensive, so I just decided to make this out of black steel instead. So this entire thing cost me like $4 because all I needed was some elbow brackets, and then these are called floor mounts that you're allowed to use just to drill this on here. And this worked as a kind of an industrial touch to the wood in here. You know, there's just too much wood going on, so I had to change that up. So anyway, that's pretty much all we got. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video because, like I said, I'm going to be building that toilet, and we're going to be following up with another video, kind of like a bathroom part 2, because I need to make a door for this side, and I'm also going to be redoing the shower. So the shower is going to be a big project, so I want that to be its own video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'm coming out with new videos soon. Catch you later. Oh no.